Hey everyone, welcome back to Soothdeep, where we make finance simple. Today, we're diving into investing, what it is, why it matters, and how to get started. Investing is putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the goal of growing your wealth over time. Unlike saving, which just keeps your money safe, investing aims to beat inflation and give you returns. Why invest? Because money sitting in a savings account can lose value due to inflation. Investing allows your money to grow. Whether you want to retire comfortably, buy a home, or just build wealth, investing is key. There are three main types of investments: stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks mean owning a share in a company. It's high risk but also high reward. Bonds involve lending money to the government or companies. They are safer, but come with lower returns. Real estate is about buying property to generate income or sell for profit. Start small and make sure you've built an emergency fund first. Then, choose a platform, like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Fidelity. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for beginners. And don't forget to diversify. Spread your investments across different assets. Investing can seem intimidating, but the earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound growth. Remember, it's about playing the long game, not trying to get rich quick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on building your financial future. Thanks for watching, and as always, take control of your financial journey. Please like and subscribe to spread the awareness.